That was my Philadelphia 8-ounce cream cheese. Next, we're going to take our granulated sugar and we're going to add about half a cup of sugar. I'm just eyeballing it. I'm gonna like cover the brick up, have a little bit around it, and that looks good to me. Next, we have some pure vanilla extract. We're gonna go ahead and add about half a teaspoon of this. Perfect. And that's just to give it a little more flavor, a little extra sweetness to the cream cheese. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take our electric mixer and we're gonna go ahead and beat this until it's all smooth and creamy.
Yum.
I love cream cheese.
So this is almost gonna be like a cheesecake filling, huh?
Yes, exactly. If you love cheesecake, this is the recipe for you guys.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Me too. All right, that is looking good already. Just a few more rounds and we should be perfect.
Ooh, I cannot wait.
Me neither. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is looking really good and smooth and creamy. Let's turn that baby off. A little more. There we go, guys. Don't want to waste anything over here. All right, next we have our Cool Whip. This is the 8-ounce container. Get that lid off. Ooh, there we go. And we're gonna go ahead and put the whole thing in here actually. So let's go ahead and scoop in there and plop that bad boy right in. Make sure you don't waste too much in your container. I'm gonna try and scoop it all out for you guys. Now we're just gonna go ahead and fold this in gently. I'm gonna try to go a little fast, but you still wanna be gentle at the same time, okay? That's very important.
Is there a reason why you are hand mixing it instead of using the mixer?
So yeah, I'm actually hand mixing it because the mixer would make it like too runny, too flat.
Oh.
I'm doing it this way so it keeps its fluffy texture.
Smart.
Make sure we get around the sides.
Ooh, it looks yummy.
I know, and it already smells yummy too, you guys.
Ooh.
All right, that's looking really nice and fluffy. It's like reminding me of marshmallow fluff right now.
Oh yeah, baby.
Ooh, all right, perfect. Okay, now what we're adding is super fun, super refreshing. We have some strawberries.
Oh, my favorite fruit.
Yeah, me too. I went ahead and cut these up. This is just the 1-pound container of strawberries. I have some fresh blackberries. This is just about a cup of blackberries. I didn't cut those up because you don't need to cut up blackberries. This is some raspberries. Again, about a cup of raspberries we're adding here.
Ooh.
And I washed all these berries, okay? That's important, wash your berries.
Yeah.
Some blueberries, my favorite. Gotta save the best for last. Ooh, I just realized I missed 2 strawberries.
Oh yeah,
Just
you
put
need
those in there. Can't waste, okay? Now we're just gonna take our spatula and we're gonna fold this together gently. Ooh, yes, I love berries in the summer. This is just my go-to. Everybody's going to love this. It's such a crowd pleaser. Your family will love it. It's awesome for anything you could even think of, okay?
It reminds me of the
best.
4th of July.
Ooh, yes, the red, white, and blue. So just make sure you're gentle with this because you don't want your berries to get crushed
Oh yeah, smart.
or anything like that. We want our berries in perfect shape for this dessert. Okay, we're almost done here. Just a little bit more folding in. This side here.
It looks so yummy.
I know, I can't wait to try this. And the cool thing about this, you don't even need to let it chill.
What?
No, you can just eat it right when you're done preparing it. Sorry guys, my hands are a little messy, so I'm just gonna wash them real quick and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, this is looking amazing. Let's go ahead and actually move this baby over to the side because we're gonna bring in our champagne glasses.
How cute.
Yes, so fun. This is just a fun little presentation you can do if you don't want to just serve it right from the bowl. Take my ice cream scooper. I'm gonna go ahead and take little scoops. Actually, I'm gonna take a big scoop.
Yeah.
And just, oh my goodness.
Ooh.
That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Let's take another one.
Yeah. Oh.
Really fill those babies up. I think I'm gonna take a third scoop for that baby right there. Oh, yes. That is what I'm talking about. So creamy. That one is gonna be mine. That's why I'm filling it up like this. Because this is mine and I eat a lot, sorry. Okay. I think that's looking really good. What do you think?
They look so good.
Let's move that away. And now I'm gonna take some graham crackers.
Ooh.
This is the kind I'm using, the honey made graham crackers.
Ooh, my favorite.
Mm-hmm. And then I'm just gonna take each one, I'm just gonna stick it right in there like that.
That's so cute.
Yeah. Just stick it wherever you want, really. It's up to you. Whatever you like. You can stick it over here, and you can stick it over here in the back.
Yeah, stick it to him.
Stick it to the man.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay, now it is time to try these. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try this one, just like I told you guys. Look at that.
Oh, so good.
Beautiful. I wanna get every berry, so let me take a big, you just scoop it, get it in there.
Oh, you're using the graham cracker as like your spoon?
Yeah, let me just put this right here for you guys so I can just scoop that on nicely, just like that.
Ooh.
Yes! Ready? Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is messy right now, but it is amazing, okay? Best thing for summer ever.